Today, I'm going to cover a completely different topic on public demand, and the topic is taking care of the earth. So, these are the topics that we are going to cover. So, first of all, uh, what is our planet? Earth. Earth is our planet where we live. And you know, Earth is the only planet which has life, where life exists. Why? Earth, there are many planets, na? There are 8 planets, total 8 planets are there in our solar system. But Earth is the only planet which has life. Why? Because Earth has air, water, sunlight and favorable weather, favorable conditions, जो कि life के लिए important है, like right? So, and what is environment? Now we'll see environment. What is environment? Environment is the surrounding where we live. We means कौन? We means we all living things like plants, animals, human being. ये सारे living things है ना? So, environment is the surrounding where we live, where all living things live is called environment. Where plants, animals and human being live is called environment. Okay. So, what are the things that forms a part of environment? क्या क्या होते हैं जो environment like for us, what are the things that is required? Land is important, right? Because we have to live on land, we cannot live in water, right? So we हम कहाँ रहते हैं? Land पे ना, हम water में तो नहीं रह सकते. So land is important, air is important because we breathe in, breathe out. Okay, so air is important because oxygen is in air and we breathe in oxygen. Okay, so we need water, we need air, we need land, okay, to live. ठीक है. So what are the things हमारे surrounding में? We means all living things. So हमारे surrounding में what are the things that forms environment? So we means living things, all living things, plants, animals, human being and land, water, air. These are the things that forms an environment. ठीक है? That forms a part of environment. Okay? So we live in our environment. So these are the things that some non-living things and some living things. Plants, animals and human being living and land, water and air non-living. So these are the things that forms an environment, right? Now, if we want to be healthy, if we want to lead a healthy life, क्या करना चाहिए हमें? We should keep our environment clean. But what we are doing? We are just dirtying our environment. और dirty environment को dirty करने से what will happen? That will cause pollution. So अगर हम like we are using petrol, diesel, तो वो क्या करता है? Air pollution create करता है. When we are throwing जो भी dust and throwing जो waste material on roads, वो क्या करता है? That will cause land pollution. Okay, we live in our environment. So our environment, the where we are living, that is our environment. And earth, like earth is round na. So earth का जो environment है, the layer of air around the earth is atmosphere. Earth के ऊपर जो भी layer है air का, that is atmosphere. Okay, so we live in the environment. Our surrounding is our environment and earth का surrounding is atmosphere. Okay, earth का surrounding is earth is covered with the a layer of air. Okay, some layers of air and that layers वो सारे layer कहते हैं कहलाते हैं atmosphere. Why? Because earth के surrounding को हम atmosphere कहते हैं और हमारे surrounding को हम environment कहते हैं. Got it? Earth is surrounded by a layer of air and this air, okay, and air is a mixture of gases. So air contains many gases और जिसमें से सबसे important gas कौन सा है? Which one is the most important gas? That is oxygen. Why? Because we breathe in, all human beings and all animals, all living things breathe in oxygen. ठीक है? We breathe in oxygen and plants जो है they breathe in carbon dioxide and they breathe out oxygen. But we all animals and all human beings, we breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. ठीक है? So एयर पॉल्यूशन कैसे होता है? Whenever smoke, we release some smoke, some harmful gases in air, then that will cause air pollution. How? Petrol, diesel, when we are using our cars and bikes and whatever vehicles, all vehicles are using petrol and diesel. So what will happen? And smoking also, smoking will cause that harmful that will release harmful gases, so that will also cause air pollution. The term deforestation means cutting down a large amount of forest, means cutting down a forest on large scale is called deforestation. ठीक है? डिफॉरेस्टेशन मतलब बहुत सारे फॉरेस्ट, लार्ज स्केल पे फॉरेस्ट को कट करना इज डिफॉरेस्टेशन, एंड दैट विल ऑल्सो कॉज एयर पॉल्यूशन. क्यों? Because if plants are there, if trees are there, they'll breathe in carbon dioxide and they will breathe out oxygen. So we'll get, if plants are there with in our environment, we'll get more oxygen. Plants provides us oxygen and they'll breathe in, and plants will breathe in कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो अगर हम प्लांट्स को कट कर देंगे, विल गेट लेस ऑक्सीजन बिकॉज विल नॉट गेट ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, एंड प्लांट जो है कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दैट इज हार्मफुल फॉर अस. इफ इन आर एनवायरमेंट बहुत सारे कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ज़्यादा रहेंगे, देन व्हाट विल ब्रीद इन, हम क्या ब्रीद इन करेंगे? सो दैट विल बी हार्मफुल फॉर अस. So when we'll not get oxygen in sufficient amount, that will be harmful for us, because oxygen is essential for us, for our life. And if our air has harmful gases, more harmful gases that will be harmful for, then that will cause air pollution, and that will be harmful for all living things like plants, animals, birds, human being, everyone. Okay, now what are the causes of air pollution? Air pollution के causes क्या है? First one, एक deforestation is also one thing that can cause air pollution. और क्या हो सकते हैं? When smoking, yeah, smoking can cause air pollution. Fumes, what are we are that vehicles are releasing fumes. Petrol and diesel के fumes जो हैं, that is harmful for air and that can cause air pollution. और क्या हो सकते हैं? और yeah, one more thing, when we are using AC, air conditions and refrigerator, that is fridge, so उसमें क्या होता है? When we are using that ना, harmful particles are that they will release harmful particles in our atmosphere, and that can cause air pollution. Okay, since we are talking about pollution, we should also talk about water pollution and land pollution. ठीक है? So what is the reason for water pollution? What is water pollution basically? When we are when some chemical waste, company waste जो है, that is dumped into water bodies. Water bodies मतलब lakes, ponds, well, sea, rivers, water, जो भी वाटर बॉडीज हैं उन सब में अगर हम डंप करते हैं कंपनी के जो वेस्ट, केमिकल वेस्ट हैं, उन्हें डिस्पोज करते हैं वाटर, so then that can cause water pollution, because that will mix in water and that can cause water pollution, and that will be harmful for aquatic animals. So aquatic means what, जो भी animals हैं, जो भी living things हैं जो कि water में रहते हैं, like fish, frog and जो भी हैं water में रहने वाले, they are called aquatic. ठीक है? तो that will harmful for them, and that the water is dirty, the water become dirty, so we cannot use that water, like we cannot use dirty water for drinking, for cleaning, for washing, for bathing. We cannot use that water. Okay, so what are the reasons, what are the cause of water pollution? क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Oil leaks. What is oil leak? Basically when tankers से ship में, बड़े बड़े ship में, when tankers में oil भर के from one place to another place, it's traveling through water ना, like from sea, so sometimes what happen ना, leakage होते हैं oil, so that will that leakage, oil leak होकर सीधे water body में जाता है, and that can cause water pollution. In villages, in like countryside places होते हैं, villages, there people used to wash their clothes in river or nearby river, so that can cause water pollution, because वो सारे water is going in that river and that can cause water pollution. और क्या हो सकते हैं? What are the reasons? Villages, जो एनिमल्स होते हैं पीपल यूज टू वॉश देम, और उन्हें जो एनिमल्स को बात कराने के लिए दे आर यूजिंग लेक्स, पॉन्ड्स, so that can cause water pollution. That lake and that pond can get dirty. Okay, so now next is land pollution. When we are talking about pollution, so we'll talk about all the pollution like air pollution, water pollution and land pollution. So land pollution कैसे होता है? Waste, like कचरे जो हैं, waste हैं, we are throwing on roads, so that can cause, this is one reason that will cause land pollution. And soil erosion, you know what is soil erosion? Soil erosion means when we are cutting, deforestation जब भी हम करते हैं ना, तो उसके बाद क्या होगा? When forests are there, when plants are there, so soil will be there only. But when we'll cut the plants, तो plain land रहेगा. So when तूफान, आंधी जब भी आएगा ना, या फिर बहुत ज़्यादा rainfall, the first top layer, that is fertile layer of soil, that layer will वो सीधे that will go in water, so the land will become unfertile. ठीक है, जो fertile layer है that will वो तो चला जाएगा. So that's why deforestation is that can also call land pollution. ठीक है, land pollution can के और भी reasons है, like chemical fertilizers and pesticides we are like farmers are using for their crops. So that can cause, because that is chemical containing fertilizers and pesticides, so that can cause land pollution. So now we'll talk about 3 R's. 3 R's is reducing, reusing and recycling. So first of all we'll talk about reducing. We should reduce the use of electricity, water and fuel. Surplus amount of fuel is not available, so one day that will finish. Then what we'll do? So that's why we should avoid wasting our electricity, water and fuel. Okay. Next is reusing. So we should find some way to use again and again. कोई चीज़ हम दोबारा use कर सकते. Like finding a way to use something again. Like we have used once and that thing अगर हम उसको वापस से किसी चीज़ में use कर सके, we can use it again. So that is reusing. And last one is recycling. Recycling means waste thing, old scrap material, and we are recycling that and वो नया फिर से बनता है. Like paper, some paper we are getting from wood ना, तो wood से हमें paper मिलता है, but sometimes paper को भी they are like cleaning the ink, cleaning the glue and plastic layer, they are removing some factories, and then they are making that reusable. उसे वापस से वो पेपर के फॉर्म में, या फिर the cover of paper, chart paper, cardboard, they are creating that, they are making that. So that is reusable. Okay, one more thing, plastic. You can see in plastic factories what they are doing, they are जो कचड़े होते हैं, the waste material of plastic, they are just picking the waste material of plastic and they are washing that, then cleaning that and dry करते हैं, then machine में डालकर उसको liquid form में लाते हैं, and then they'll cut that in the stone, I mean plastic chips, दाना बनाते हैं उसके, and then that will be used for making pipes, sheet. Okay, plastic pipe, plastic sheets. So that is, plastic factories are doing they are taking the scrap old materials from dustbins and they are cleaning that and they are making them reusable. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.